Greetings to all. I am Mr. Romeo from the Department of Commerce. In this presentation, I am going to explain about the schemes, funded schemes offered for the business people or the entrepreneurs provided by the banks. Okay. The commercial banks which are supporting the business people for their business development and also as well as the country's business development. Okay. First we are going to see about the various financial institutions like commercial banks supporting the business people for the business development. The first one is SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, which will support the industrial people and also the business people or the entrepreneurs to start the business and run the business smoothly. And next, HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. The Housing Development Finance Corporation also help the business people to start the business and also run the business, and it will provide the working capital to the needy. And ICICI, Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. It is one of the popular commercial bank which provide the financial assistance to the needy people or the business people, those who are starting the new business and those who are need the fund for run the business. Okay. And the IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, also the IDBI provide the financial assistance to the industrial people. Okay. It will develop the industries throughout the India. Okay. And Allahabad Bank, State Bank of India, these all are the banks also provide the financial assistance like loan, working capital, bank overdraft, all the facilities to the needy people like those who are starting the business innovators and entrepreneurs to start the business and run their business smoothly. And here we are going to see about the commercial banks, how they are assist the people or the businessman to start the business. SIDBI, Revolving Fund for Technology Innovation Program brochure. The SIDBI was help the people, those who are starting the business technology oriented. Okay, innovative technology oriented business are started by the people, those who are need the fund. The SIDBI help to that needy people. And technology upgradation fund scheme for textile industries. For the specialization to the textile industry, the SIDBI was help the people, those who are starting the business in the textile industries. And single window scheme and scheme for development of industrial infrastructure for SSI sector, and SIDBI finance scheme for emergency saving projects in MSME sector. So these all are the things which the SIDBI was provide the financial assistance and loans to the business people start the business or run the business in these areas. And the next thing is next one is HDFC. Okay, HDFC also provide the financial assistance to the needy people or the business people for working capital finance to transporters, those who are availing transport business. Okay, transport business, the HDFC will support them. And short-term finance scheme, real estate initiatives, precious metal scheme, export credit scheme, medical equipment finance. So in these all are the schemes the HDFC bank will provide financial assistance like loan, working capital assistance to the business people. And the next thing is ICICI, export bill negotiation, commercial vehicle loans, construction equipment loans and business loans. These all are the various loans provided by the ICICI bank or the ICICI financial institution to the needy people or the business people, those who are starting the business and also run the business. And IDBI, working capital financing to information technology, and vendor financing, vendor solutions, SME smart line of credit, lending against the security of future credit card receivables. So these all are the sites. The IDBA also help the business people or the needy people for their business. So all those things are related to the business only, and those who are starting the new business and entrepreneurship, it will the main objective of these financial institutions and the commercial banks are to develop the entrepreneurship and develop the business throughout the country. Okay, thank you all.